Hello everyone, this is Stylianos Physics, and today we'll work on how to find the components of a vector. On the left we can see a vector A that has a magnitude of 10 and it's positioned with 45 degrees up. We draw dotted lines from the end of vector A towards the x-axis and the y-axis, and we can see the projections AX and AY. Then we apply the rule AX is equal A times cosine of the angle. In this case the magnitude A is 10 and the angle is 45 degrees, so we can easily find that AX is 10 times radical 2 over 2. This is equal with 5 times radical 2. The rule for the component AY is A times sine of the angle. This means 10 times sine of 45 degrees, and we can easily find the y component as 5 times radical 2. On the right side of the screen we can see our vector B that has a magnitude of 20 and it is positioned with an angle 60 degrees upwards from the negative x-axis. Again, we need to draw the dotted lines from the tip of B towards the x and the y-axis, and we can see the projections Bx and By. Please note that the Bx component is on the negative x-axis, so it must be negative, and the By is upward, so it must be positive. Again, the rule applies as Bx is equal B times cosine of the angle, but starting from the positive x, this angle is equal with 120 degrees. So B times cosine of 120. Similar for By, it will be B times sine of 120. Another way is to take the rule as B times cosine of 60 degrees, but we have to note that the Bx is on the left side, so we need to take the negative sign, and for the By component, B times the sine of 60 degrees, and because it is upward, it must be positive. In both cases, the result will be the same. In the first case, the Bx will be 20 times either cosine of 60 or cosine of 120, 1 over 2, and because it is on the left, we need to mark it as negative, and the By will be B, which is 20 times radical 3 over 2, which is equal to 10 times radical 3 upward or positive.